Okay, we're at a friend's, and it is raining, but luckily I have my waterproof camera with me. And y'all might remember this little toy, the Goodman unit. It is a heat pump with a scroll compressor, Copeland scroll. I have the faintest idea where the air handler is. I think it's in the attic somewhere. Powered by Copeland scroll. Model number CPLJ30-1. Is that an A? That's a B, 1B. Serial 0503289688. So this is a manufactured the 5th month of 2003, I believe. I can't tell when it was made. No, 2005. 0503. It's manufactured March 2005. My mistake. And it is a heat pump. It's not running right now. And it is actually set at an angle, which is not good. And the neighbors have the exact same unit. I can't see it, but this whole subdivision has the exact same units. What does this have? R22? Duh, R22. I'm an idiot. Yes, it has R22. Does it? Does it? Oh yeah, R22. I'm an idiot. Thermostat wire, suction line, and liquid line. Man, these coils are like deteriorating. And the thermostat is a Brayburn, I think. And you can also see that I'm in the neighbor's yard. This whole subdivision has Goodman. None of the houses have crawl spaces, so that's probably where it is. I doubt it, though. Honestly doubt it. Oh, here's an old Goodman Desert Series. There's one up there running. I can hear it from here. That one right there. Loud. That's a reciprocating compressor. Then there is a few more back there. Two. Another one at that house.